Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be showing you how to apply the Olixar 2-in-1 film screen protector to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The principles are the same for the S10 model also, so if you do have this, you can follow the steps in this video and achieve the same result. Before we begin, take a moment to ensure you have a clean and flat workspace and that your S10 is removed from its case. Please do check you don't already have a screen protector applied, as Samsung's new release does come with this on straight out of the box. If you do have one on, just simply peel it away. Start by taking the supplied cleaning wipe and give the display a thorough wipe down. This will lift any traces of oil and dirt that are on the screen. Next, take the microfiber cloth and use it to dry the screen, before finally using the dust removal stickers to dab away like so. This will lift any remaining pieces of dust and lint. You can now turn your attention to the screen protector. Carefully remove this little piece here, as it will help when you come to align the protector. Next, peel back the first top tab like so. This will expose the top part of the adhesive, allowing you to stick it to the top of your S10 Plus. Next, lower the protector to your phone, ensuring the camera cutout matches up to the punch hole camera. At this point, it's important to apply pressure to this area and secure it to the top of your phone. Take the application card included and press down on the applied section of the protector while lifting the remaining to 90 degrees. Begin pushing the protective film out by sliding the card down your S10 Plus. This will stick the adhesive to your phone while also avoiding air bubbles. If you do find you have bubbles, simply use the application card to ease them out around the edges. Once you're happy with the application, turn your attention to the final step of removing the top protective film. You'll need to be careful not to lift the actual protector, so it's recommended to use the application card to hold this down as you slowly peel the film away. If you find any more bubbles after this process, you'll need to use the microfiber cloth and the pressure of your finger to ease them out along the edges. Once this is complete, you will be left with a well-applied screen protector that protects your S10 Plus's display from scratches while not affecting the sensitivity of the screen. Samsung's latest in-display fingerprint reader works flawlessly with this protector, while typing and playing games can also be done with perfect touch precision. One advantage over a glass screen protector is it is virtually invisible, making it compatible with any phone case, meaning you can give your S10 Plus 360-degree protection. In a lot of cases, this style of protector has a noticeable touch. However, the Olixar film protector replicates the feel of the screen, meaning you'll barely notice it's on at all. One thing I really like about this pack is it comes with two screen protectors, so if you don't get the application right first time, or you'll find your protector comes away over time, then you can repeat the process without purchasing another protector. Overall, this is a great choice for anyone wanting to protect their S10 Plus's display without taking anything away from the sleek and premium feel of their phone. That's all we have for our application tutorial. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like more information or to purchase Olixar's Twin Pack Screen Protector, I'll leave a link in the description and comments of this video.